This 1965 Ford Mustang is one of the most sought-after classics by collectors in 2026. Its body may be rough, but the lines here, they never go out of style. In today's market, a solid 1965 Mustang in good running condition can fetch between $50,000 and $80,000, even more if it's a rare trim.
Would you take $4,000 for it?
When I offered $4,000 for it here in the junkyard, most people said I was crazy. But bones like these are worth saving.
Cash?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Then it's yours.
A full restoration like we're about to do usually costs between $60,000 and $120,000 in 2026. Paint, engine, interior, and all. See these wheels? In perfect condition, they alone could be worth over $2,000 to collectors. Under this hood is a V8. When rebuilt properly, it can make this car sing like new. Stripping everything down is where we start seeing what's original and what needs total replacement. Sanding takes time, but it's where imperfections become invisible and the metal breathes again. A clean frame is essential. Any rust left behind can eat away at the structure over time.
No.
Primer is like a foundation for a house. If it's not perfect, the paint won't be either. Now comes the moment everyone waits for, the first coat of red. This color is classic Mustang, timeless. Mixing this red base coat properly is crucial. Small mistakes show up big under clear coat. Clear coat is what gives depth and protection. Without it, paint scratches easily. Peeling the tape back is always nerve-wracking, but when the lines are clean, it's the best feeling. Rewiring the dash isn't glamorous, but it's what makes the gauges come alive. Hearing this V8 fire up after all that work, there's nothing like it in the world. Rolling backwards out of the shop for the first time, it's like waking a sleeping giant. Look at these reflections. Quality paintwork shows every line like a mirror. Cruising through here, that sound is what classic car culture is all about. In 2026, a full resto like this is part passion, part engineering, and totally unforgettable.